The clicking noise when going up a roller coaster lift hill is actually a good noise. Even though it sounds like it shouldn't be there, it's the sound of a very clever safety system doing its job. The anti-rollback device can be found on almost all roller coaster lift hills. Sometimes these anti-rollbacks are magnetic brake fins, and other times they are a combination of teeth and pins creating that clicking sound. As the roller coaster gets pulled up the lift hill by the chain, the anti-rollback pin hangs below the ride vehicle, sliding over teeth on the track. As it goes over each tooth, a spring-loaded system pushes the pin back down, creating this clicking sound. The anti-rollback device is designed to hold the ride vehicle in position if for whatever reason it was to stop on the lift hill. If the anti-rollback device wasn't in place here, then the chain would probably not be able to hold the weight of the ride vehicle. Therefore, it could slide all the way back down the track. But thanks to this very clever anti-rollback system, if the ride ever stops, it will slide back down into one of these teeth and stay there. Because of this system, ride vehicles can only ever move forwards up a lift hill and not back down. Anti-rollbacks are just the start, so press follow for even more surprising roller coaster safety facts.